Good morning, students. Today we are going to see a second part or the concluding part of a synopsis. Okay, so till now we have seen that the Robinson and his family made the house which is useful only for the summer season. But now the winter season is going to start, so that they want to build a new house. Okay, so thinking ahead of the next winter, father decided to create a place safe from the elements, a strong storage spot to protect themselves and their belongings. Fritz came up with the idea of a cave. Okay, so not finding one, they thought of a carving out their own cave in the rock, abutting their campaign side. Abutting means common boundary. On the smooth face of the rock, father marked the dimension for an opening, and they picked away at the hard surface with their axes, chisels, hammers and saws. Over the next several days, the family cut windows in the rocks to allow for the cross currents of airs and for sunlight to enter the cave. Cross currents with the ventilations and the sunlight to enter the caves. Then, when they had finished, they had 4 rooms in that cave, complete with the fireplace, because that is the winter season and they need the fireplace for it. They now had a new winter home. So before, the previous home is for the summer and this home is for the winter. Because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. To remedy this, father and Jack rigged up a new light. They found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. So which one bamboo pole they are going to make, which will go up to the ceiling. Then after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that they had rescued from the ship. So they have rescued one lamp from the ships and they have put at the top of that bamboo. One day they found that one of the family's hut had been completely destroyed and the cultivated fields around it had been trampled and ruined. Trample means carved. Okay, so what they have seen, that there were large footmarks everywhere. Father saw a massive damage to tree as well as many huge footprints which he identified as belonging to an elephant herd. So this much big footprint like a elephant foot, it was there. And because of that footprint and that huge animal, everything was destroyed, trees, and the garden is planted by Mrs. Fitzwarren's, like that. Then after that, what happened? The next morning, the family began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated land, because already the mother is cultivated land over there. She have planted pumpkin, cucumber and everything, the vegetable which is useful to it and for the kitchen. Okay, so now they are going to defense for the kitchen garden, because otherwise they cannot eat anything if they could not stop the animals. So that for stopping that animal they have created the defense boundary. Rather than building a house on a still which the elephant could knock down easily, they would use 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as a foundation, and the tree were a equal size, approximately 12 feet apart, and thus they built another safe home. So now the winter is over, so that they want to build another safe home which elephant like animal will not destroy. And now they have choose 4 trees which is almost 12 feet up from the surface, and they are going to build their another safe home over there. See, now till now they have built the this is the third home. Okay, then 10 years passed and the young boys were now young men, and their parents were very proud. They called the island New Switzerland. What they have called that island? New Switzerland. Many adventures occur over the years. On the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down the albatross. Albatross means a large, long-winged seabird which was threatening to attack him and found a rat tied to the large bird's legs. So one type of chit is tied to that bird's leg. On the rat was message that Englishwoman had been stranded on a smoking rock. Fritz had no idea how old the message was. Fritz read that message. In that message it was written that the smoking rock was there, and there one uh, Englishwoman is caught over there in that smoking rocks. His father suggested that smoking rock surrounded like a reference to a volcano, because smoking rock, nothing is like a rock is going to smoke, but it is like a volcano is nearby the place. And since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity, the bird might have come from the hundreds of miles away. Means it is not in their locality where they are right now living, so that maybe that birds travel from 100 miles away. And however, Fritz felt that someone needed his help, and he was determined to do his best to find the sender. Before returning home, he had written his own note on the rag, retied it to the albatross legs, and had watched the bird fly off. The note told whoever received it, "Do not despair, help is near." In that note it was written that you don't lose your despair, means don't lose your hope. The help is going to come. It is with near to you. Fritz then successfully rescued the young woman Jenny Montrose. Though Sky at first, soon she got used to living with the Robinson family and one day they saw a ship which had laid anchor, and a campment had been set up on one of the smaller islands. After checking the people through their spyglass, Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves, so which had laid anchor, and a campment had been set up one of the smaller island. After checking the people through their spyglass, Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves after they had written home and cleaned it up. They did not want the crew to think they were savage. The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain and told him their own history as well as Janie's. And to everyone's surprise, it had been Janie's father who had inspired the captain's search. He believed his daughter was still alive after 3 years. So, like Robinson families, his daughter also lost in that island. So, he believed his daughter is still alive, so that he insists the captain to search. The captain had decided to attempt to find her. With a burst of celebration, the family, the passengers, and the crew of British vessel headed towards a new Switzerland. Everyone was amazed by the prosperity and the good health of the survivors. When they come over there on the island, the Robinsons family is in a good health and the good situation, and they were amazed because without any service, without any whatever the things, the food items, they are survived very good manner. As the day ended, the father realized that decision must be made about who wanted to stay on the island or return with the ship. Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the island. They had been there for so long and had grown used to their life. Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England. Fritz was the first to respond. He offered cheers for us who were going to Europe, because everybody is not going to Europe because now they are used to with that island, and Robinson, uh, almost half of the family is going to stay over on the island only. Ernest on the other hand wanted to stay on the island. Jack also decided to stay back, and Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join Fritz in leaving. Franz wanted a chance to receive academic education, and before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for Jenny and his wish to marry her. So their father had kept a record of all the adventures they had on the island. So he handed over the journals to the captain to be published, and then the ship is departed. So everybody is not moving towards the uh, with the ship, because they are used to with that island, and Frank and Fritz only going to the England because they want to live another life. They don't want to live same life on the island. So this is how this story, adventure story, end. I hope all of you have understood the story. And as part of the difficult word, I am giving you the PDF attached with this assignment. Please write it down. Thank you, students. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.